So report writing is this is on page number 95 in your Weaver's book, in your literature book. Based on all the information that you've been collecting in activity 1 and activity 2, I hope you are maintaining it, because this is a year-long project, and it constitutes a fair amount of your aggregate marks. So it says you have all the information you needed, all the information that you have been collecting till now. Are you ready to write the report? So you have to write the report in the format given here. If you have read a book, as far as in activity 1, or if you have watched any one of these movies, any one of these 5 movies, so you have to mention about the author or the director, theme of the book, 3 things that you liked about the book or the film, in the same format. And question number 2, 3, the following questions. Phase 2, focus research on your environment. Now this is another activity. In this phase of the project, you are a researcher collecting data through surveys and questionnaires. Surveys means when you have fact based information, real information based on facts and figures. You will analyze the data to draw conclusions and find out what other people think. So this is what you have to do: collecting data. Use this questionnaire for yourself, members of your family, your friends, and at least 3 neighbors in your locality. Make a copy of the questionnaire for each. So you have to make separate sheets following these questionnaires. I think the best one would be to choose, write it on A4 size blank white papers, and then you can staple it all together. Activity 5, collecting information. Ask these questions to any adult member of your family. Do you cover the vessel when cooking? Do you put hot or warm food in the fridge? Do you keep the door of the fridge open for a long time? These simple questions. Ask them and then write it down. Planning a holiday, activity 6. You have a holiday coming up. How can you plan it so that it has minimal effect on the environment? Write at least 3 points. You have to write that. Activity 7, reasons for climate change. What do you think as an individual are the reasons for such a drastic change in the environment? Keeping in mind the response to activities, so you have to keep whatever information you collected in activity from activities 3 to 6. That means activity 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Make a list of possible reasons as in why this climate is changing. This is for the month of August, and but by 8th of August, I need to see what all did you do, because this work has been this work should have been done in the past. So this is not something new that you have to submit. By 8th of August, I want you to submit. Let's say 10th of August. By 10th of August, I need to see whatever was submitted, whatever was done till activity number 2. Yeah, and then from activity 3 is for the month of August, and then so for the time being you can do that, and this will be I'll expect it to be submitted in the month of September. I'll see you guys.